Friends, how are you? I hope you are enjoying your this lockdown period with your parents. Do you know who I am? हाँ, मैं आपका फिजिक्स टीचर हूँ. इससे पहले मैंने जो पढ़ाया था पढ़ा. I hope that you studied. And today I am going to teach you what? Time. क्या पढ़ने जा रहे हैं हम बेटा? Time. What is time? What is time? It is very difficult to define time, but whatever the moments, whatever the changes around us are measured by a physical dimensions. We call that dimension time. What's the unit of time? The unit of time, second. How we measure time? In your home, you are observing wall clock, wristwatch, digital clock, etc. etc. These measures time, and the unit of time is second. What is day? So in your book, I will send you the image of pages. There you read what is day. So the time interval between one sunrise to next sunrise is called a day. Then month. What is month? What is year? Of course, you know all it. But have you ever think how our ancestor measures the time? Our ancestors measures the time with the help of sundial, watch glass. You see, this is a sundial called Jantar Mantar in Delhi. This is sundial. This is watch clock. This is watch clock, and this one is water clock. You can also make a water clock. So these are the devices by which our ancestor measures the time. अपने मदर फादर से पूछना, आप सरप्राइज होगे कि पुराने समय में उनके दादा दादी शैडो देखकर ये बता देते थे अब इतना टाइम हो गया है. यस ना, इस उसी पर बेस्ड है सनडायल. यू आस्क अबाउट सम्राट यंत्र, मतलब जंतर मंतर इन दिल्ली, एंड another sundial which is situated in Jaipur, Rajasthan. So you search on net and discuss with your parents उनसे कैसे टाइम मेजर किया जाता था. Another device is simple pendulum. You know a very famous scientist Galileo. Later in your book you will study it. I am sending you image, so यू रीड इट. उन पेजों में आप देखना, गैलीलियो का फोटो भी है वहां पर. गैलीलियो जब चर्च गया ना, उसने देखा चर्च के का घंटा एक डेफिनेट टाइम इंटरवल के बाद आगे पीछे हो रहा था. तो ऑल दोज नेचुरल फिनोमेना विच रिपीट देमसेल्व्स आर कॉल्ड पीरियोडिक फिनोमेना, लाइक सोलर एक्लिप्स, lunar eclipse, and the oscillations of pendulum. Yes, so our next topic is pendulum. You are observing, this is a sphere, metallic sphere. It is called bob, and this one the string. With the help of this string, we suspended it. Yes, and it starts oscillation. These are the oscillation, to and fro motion. It can also move forward and backward. Or yes, so these are the oscillation. Here I am going to teach you what is one oscillation. You see the pendulum is at mean position. From here it traveled towards your right, then return to mean position, and then towards your left, and then again reach to the mean position. This is called one oscillation. Look at here. This is the suspension point. This one is the pendulum. This is the mean position. Yes, from here we suspend it, we displace it, so it reach here, then it return to mean, and then reach here. Yes, at this point, and once again, so it start from here reach at this point, from here it returns to mean position, then reach at extreme position and once again return here like this. Here, then mean position, then other side, and then again mean position. This is called one oscillation. This is called one oscillation. Okay, understood? And the time taken to complete one oscillation is called its time period. Yes, so you will make a table. In that table, you write a number of oscillation. For 10 oscillation, you will calculate the time. Time you can calculate by watch or you can count here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 में ठीक it complete one oscillation. So you make your own pendulum and repeat this activity. Calculate time for 10 oscillation at least 3 and 4 times. Compare, then we discuss.